Hi everyone, I'm heidiroro and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a before you buy on the new Thrive Causemetics Buildable Blur CC Cream. So if you guys want to know a little bit more about this product and you're wondering whether or not you should get your hands on it, then just keep on watching. What's cool about this is that it has a blur effect technology, and essentially they have smart micropigments that's going to adjust to your natural skin tone. This bad boy is $38. It's a little bit of a heftier price, but something that I wanted to mention about Thrive Causemetics is that the brand itself has a really great mission statement. They essentially help women in need. All the products that they make, when you purchase it, they donate that product to women in need. I think that's a great mission statement, especially as a woman that loves beauty products. I definitely want to spend money on brands that are going to not only help me as the consumer, but for people in need. This product is buildable, oil-free, and it has a natural finish. And I could definitely agree with this. I've been testing this product out for about a few weeks, and this product has a really interesting texture. It kind of is a nice whipped formula. I love the fact that it has a pump and it's like in a squeezy tube, so it's really easy to travel with. You're not gonna break it if it falls. So packaging, I love. Let's do a little swatch. If you apply one pump to your entire face, it's going to be a very natural sheer finish. It's going to blur out your skin. That's the beauty of the blur effect technology. So for me, I have redness in the center of my face, and I do have some hyperpigmentation spots. I usually just do one pump. That is enough for my entire face, but you can also build it up to a full finish with 2 pumps. This sponge is called the Blend and Blur Sponge. It's $18. This actually looks very similar to the Beauty Blender, but it has a nice slanted surface. So this product actually came from Influencer. This shade that I received is medium beige. I really like this sponge. It's extremely soft. It does not soak up that much product. The only thing I don't like about the sponge is the price. It's $18. That's very expensive. Although I do really like this sponge, I think for me, $18 for a sponge is not worth it, but it works well. All right, so this is what my skin looks like with 1.5 pumps of this CC cream. As you can see, it evened out my face. I definitely had some redness here, and I just feel like it has such a nice natural consistency, and I don't know, I feel like this is a really great everyday makeup kind of look. If you're not someone that likes really heavy foundation, if you're not someone that likes wearing foundation at all, I would definitely recommend the CC cream, because what's nice about this is it actually has SPF 35, so you're going to be protected from not only the sun, but also the blue lights from your phone as well as the computer. So I would definitely recommend having some sort of protection on your face. You only have one face. Do what you can. I'm going to set my face with the Mercier Loose Translucent Setting Powder. Even though this is a CC cream, I do like setting my face just because I get extremely oily throughout the day. And when I was testing this when I went to work, I actually really liked the finish and just how it lasted. It definitely does last all day. The thing for me is I always get such an oily T-zone. When I was testing this product throughout the week, I was not using a mattifying primer. I really wanted to just see how this product works by itself. I think the finish is beautiful. Even after a full 8 to 9 hours of wear, my face still looked flawless. It just looked kind of oily in my nose area and a little bit in my T-zone area. So for that reason alone, I still need to set it, because if I don't set it, I'm gonna look like a greasy person. If you're wondering what a CC cream is compared to a BB cream, a CC cream stands for color correct. This is perfect for people that have redness, like me, or uneven skin tone, if you have sallowness in your face, essentially if you look kind of sickly, this is going to be perfect for you. Whereas a BB cream, that first originated in Korea and in Asia. BB cream stands for blemish balm, but when it came to the States, it became beauty balm. And a BB cream is different from a CC cream. It's a little bit lighter in coverage. It's very sheer. For Asian BB creams, those are more thicker because they do have more sun protection. In Asia, it's very normal to really want pale skin, so that's why most of the time people are wearing BB creams. But for American BB creams, they are more of a lightweight tinted moisturizer. Essentially, the CC cream is the new and improved version of a BB cream. It also has anti-aging benefits because it does have vitamin C, so for that reason alone, the skincare properties in this is amazing. What I like about this the most is that it's very natural. It's not cakey at all. You don't need a lot to cover your entire face, and I think this is a really great everyday CC cream. All right, so let's talk about the pros and the cons of the Buildable Blur CC cream. The pros are it has the blur effect technology, so when you apply it on your face is going to look blurred. It's going to look poreless, wrinkleless. It's going to remove any redness, and that is a lifesaver for me. This product also has SPF 35, so that's going to help you with the UVA, UVB rays, as well as the blue lights that you get from your phone and your computer. What's nice about this product as well is it has color adjusting micropigments, so it's really going to adjust to your natural skin tone. It's so smart. Smart micropigments, who knew? I love the packaging. It comes with a pump, squeezy tube, so you're not going to break it, which I absolutely love. You can also travel with it, so that's awesome as well. The fact that you can buy any product from this brand, Thrive Causemetics, and it's going to give back to women in need, to women that are homeless, to women that have suffered from domestic violence, that have cancer. For me, I would feel so much better giving money to a brand that is also giving back to the community. I hope more brands and companies follow suit and do the same exact thing, because that's a beautiful thing. The only cons that I have with this product is that the price point is pretty high. It's $38, and that is more of a really high-end brand cost for a company that hasn't really essentially proven themselves yet. But I understand that that price point is also probably the fact that they're also donating to other people as well. So it's like a pro and a con essentially. And the last con, again, there's not that many cons to this product, is that I do notice that after a full day wear, it does get oily in my T-zone. And maybe that's just me because I do have oily to combination skin. I think I just have to use a mattifying primer with this CC cream and then I'll be Gucci. Would I recommend the Buildable Blur CC cream? 1,000 times yes. If you guys liked it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below on what you like to see next, and please subscribe so you join the family. I'll see you all next time. Mwah! Bye. Girl, my skin look good. My skin look good. My skin looks good. 'Cause it's what? It's blurred.